Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra here, and if you're new, I post videos all on beauty and lifestyle and just about anything that tickles my fancy. And if you click the notification button and the subscription button, you'll be up to date on everything that I post. So I am on a roll with the filming, and that's why you will consistently see this shirt in another, couple other videos. But anyways, I did a video talking about my acne and how I got rid of my acne. But I want to talk about something that I did myself that also helped to irritate my skin, and I hope you guys won't make the same mistake that I did. So anyways, one of my favorite products to use in my skincare is vitamin C. I love it for its brightening properties, and it is one of the main things that I like to use in order to help get rid of my hyperpigmentation. However, I did not realize that some of the things that I was doing, or some of the things that I was using all in conjunction with my vitamin C were what was irritating my skin in the first place. So vitamin C is one of those products that I absolutely love to use in my skincare. I have a couple of them that I love to use. For example, this regular vitamin C that I use with my derma rolling that I sometimes do, my Ole Hendrix vitamin C serum, truth serum, I absolutely love to use, and my Kiehl's and my Murad serum I like to use. But I did not realize that some of the products that I was using in conjunction with it was actually irritating my skin, and I didn't even know it. So one of those things that vitamin C does is it helps to brighten your skin. There hasn't been any proof, I don't think, of it being very anti-aging. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll probably try to link some studies where it does say that it does perform anti-aging benefits. But for me, I realized that it brightens my skin. So whenever I put it on my face, either in the night or in the morning, I just feel like my skin just looks a lot brighter. I don't think it is as effective with getting rid of your hyperpigmentation. I feel like you need something stronger, especially if you are a woman of color and you suffer from acne. You need something stronger that's going to get rid of your hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to talk about that in a separate video. But I like to use vitamin C because I found that it just looks, to me, it just makes my skin look glowy. It gives me an extra glow. However, some of the things that you do not want to use with vitamin C is anything that contains AHA or BHA. So as you guys may know, I have mentioned my Paula skincare line before. I do love to use a 2% liquid perfecting AHA, BHA in it. And one of the main vitamin C serums that I like to use is either the Ole Hendrix or the Murad. Either or is fine. I also have a couple others that I'm going to talk about in a separate video, but I love to use those two. Those are my main two vitamin C ingredients. But do not use this and then rub. Oops. Do not use that and then rub this on your face. It is going to irritate the crap out of your skin, and I didn't realize that until, it's like I knew it, but I wasn't conscious of it, and I didn't even realize that that was one of the things that were irritating my skin, and that was making my acne even worse. So do not use vitamin C along with any AHA or VHA skincare products, because vitamin C is ascorbic acid. It is already exfoliating, and then you're gonna add you're adding something that's exfoliating, and then you're adding vitamin C to it. So it's just like a combination of ingredients that you do not want to mix together. So rule number one, do not mix AHA and BHA with any vitamin C product. Do not do it. Your skin will be thanking you for it. So if you realize that your skin is being irritated, maybe you want to look at the products and the ingredients that's in your skincare line, and what are you combining together. So do not combine AHA and BHA together. Number two, and this is something that a lot of acne users use, we tend to use a lot of benzoyl peroxide product because it is shown that benzoyl peroxide helps to get rid of all the bacteria on your skin. However, if you're going to use a benzoyl peroxide serum, specifically anything from Proactive or any of those other benzoyl peroxide serums, you do not want to put a vitamin C serum on your face as well, because it's just going to irritate your skin even more. So I will suggest that if you are mixing vitamin C serums and benzoyl peroxide on your skin, you may want to not do that, because that's probably one of the reasons why your skin is still irritated. So do not do that. Do not do that. Do not do that. And it's also a great thing to just look at all the ingredients that's in your skincare product and figure out why in the world like your skin is irritated. So those are the two things that I just wanted to warn you guys about not combining with vitamin C, because it does like irritate your skin even more. So another skincare ingredient that you do not want to mix with vitamin C at all, and I forgot to mention this, is niacinamide. So niacinamide is just a vitamin B compound, I believe, and it is you will find it in a lot of skincare products aimed towards rosacea or aimed towards acne, and it just helps to like calm your skin, stop inflammation, and helps to brighten your skin. But a lot of the times we don't even realize that we're mixing these products together and they're irritating our skin. So if you have a product that contains niacinamide and it's aimed to like help you with your rosacea or your acne, you may not want to use that niacinamide serum with a vitamin C serum, because it is probably going to irritate your skin a little bit more. So in recap, the 3 things you want to stay away from if you have acne and you're using these products and you're using vitamin C, the 3 things you do not want to mix your vitamin C products with is 1, AHA and BHA, 2, benzoyl peroxide, and 3, niacinamide. So if you're using any of those 3 products together with a vitamin C serum and you are trying to figure out why your skin is irritated, maybe you want to take a look at not combining those products together. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you guys so much for watching. My channel is growing. I'm so excited. Skincare is pretty much a passion of mine. If you guys, I guess I'll just tell you guys, I actually always wanted to be a dermatologist, but my lazy self was too lazy to go to school for 4 years and rack up like $100,000 in student loan debt just to be a dermatologist. So I just like to like read stuff and talk about things. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful. I hope I gave you guys some kind of insight, knowledge into maybe why your skin is irritated if you're using vitamin C and what not to use with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.